going on? This is my new bike check. I got a few things since the last one, so I'll start off with the ODI long neck grips and the Kinklitis bar ends with called leader 8.5-inch bars. Really good bars. But Mission Talon top load stem. It's a good stem for $34. Never had it slip on me. SA headset cap with Sputnik bearings. It's pretty good bearings, I guess. They've lasted like a year. Fit FAF Night Vision 225 tire. Fit FAF tires are really good. With premium Featherlight front wheel. This wheel's really good for $100 if you're in that price range. Shadow Little Ones peg over there. And then a Primo one here with Fit Shiv 2 forks. United Rigal frame 20.6. This is the first one shipped out from the States and into Canada, so that's pretty cool. I got a United Beacon fat seat. This is by far my favorite seat, and I've ran like 4 or 5 different ones so far, and this one is definitely my favorite. Fiend seat post. Eclat pedals, they're my new favorite pedals too. They are really good. United Metro 25-2 sprocket, that's really good as well, with Rant cranks, and I have to get new ones pretty soon. Cult half-link chain, another Fit FAF 225 in the back, with a Mission React hub and a black sheep rim. Had to get a new wheel because my other one was broken and I didn't have a whole lot of money, so the hub's good and the rim's not too bad either, but it's not too bad for the price of it. But United bottom bracket as well. But yeah, if you have any questions about my bike, just comment and I'll tell you straight up. It's a good frame, good everything.